Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix template not showing of CapCut. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your settings and click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. And after this, go back. So if you not have Wi-Fi, then click on SIM card and mobile network and make sure that your mobile data is on. So after this, go back and open your Play Store apps and search your CapCut. Make sure that your CapCut video editor is updated. So if not updated, you need to update it. So after this, go back and open your settings again and click on apps and notifications. See all 92 apps. Scroll down and find CapCut. So click on CapCut and click on force stop. Click here and click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. So after this, go back and open your settings again and scroll down and click on system. Click on reset options and click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Click here and click on reset settings. So after doing this, go back and open your CapCut app. So after this, click on me and log in your CapCut. So you can log in with TikTok, Google, email or Facebook, anyone. So I am clicking on TikTok. After this, click on authorize. And here you need to put your date of birth. So after this, click on confirm. So now I log in my CapCut app. So after this, go back and open your internet browser. Open and search here CapCut templates. So search and click on first one, official websites capcuttemplate.com. Click here and scroll down. So here you can see there are many templates of CapCut. So you can download anyone from these. So if I am clicking on first one, KGF CapCut template, you need to click on it and click on use template on CapCut. Click here. So here you can see this is open and click on template. So these are the easy ways to use templates in CapCut. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.